everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to view HSN summary report in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to the accounts module. Here, we have to select the tax reports menu under the accounts module. Now we have to click on the HSN summary report menu. On this page, we have to enter the date range. And also we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click on the submit button. Now the report will be displayed with HSN code, charge details, summary details of the total amount, tax amount with IGST, CGST and SGST details on the screen. This is how to view HSN summary report in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.